Hi, and welcome to this course on enterprise computing and ERP systems. My name is Paul Johannesson, and I'm responsible for this course. And in this short video, I will give you some ideas and suggestions for how to get started with the course. But before that, let's have a look at the overall goal of this. The idea is to create an understanding of analysis and design and the use of both intra and inter-organizational enterprise information systems. And for doing this, we will use both enterprise modeling and enterprise architecture. Now, this might sound a bit abstract as it's formulated here, so we have a number of sub-goals to make it more concrete. First, you should be able to learn about and explain and describe and evaluate some central concepts in the area of the course. You should be able to work with models, and that's quite a big part of the course. And we are working on goal models, business and value models, and process models. And you should become able both to analyze and design these kinds of models. You should also learn about enterprise architecture and be able to design and evaluate organizations using both enterprise architecture and enterprise modeling. And you should become able to summarize and apply and evaluate results that can be found in scientific literature. So these are the overall goals and sub-goals. And in order to obtain these goals, the course includes a number of activities that should help you in this. First, we have a number of lectures, 10 lectures, and roughly that should take you about 7 days. And of course, it's not the case that you will sit for 7 full days and listen to lectures, but you need to read around each lecture, and we also have some quizzes that can help in learning the material. Then we have 4 lessons. We expect that to take about 4 days, and it's not only about participating in each lesson, there is also an assignment to be carried out after the lesson. A very big part of the course, almost half of it, is about the project assignment, where you use what you have learned in the course, in particular about different kinds of models, in order to analyze and design an organization. We guess that might take as much as 11 days. Then there is also an individual assignment, but this is only for the IS1 course, not the EMA course. That will take roughly 2 days. And finally, there is a written exam, and we believe that it will not take you any time at all, or maybe 1 day to prepare for this written exam. It might sound as very little, but in fact, if you have worked on the lectures and the lessons and the project assignment, the written exam will be very easy. It's the exam just checks that you have worked on these other components in the course. So much for the course activities. What to do right now, how to get started directly. I would suggest you first read the course overview. It's a document that more in detail describes the course. Then you can just browse around in the course website to get a feel for the overall course design. Important is also that you join a lesson group before 3rd of September. We will have 3 different lesson groups. And after that, you should be able to start working on topic 1, or on week 1. We will soon see how that works. And we have this project assignment, and you should create and join a project group before 9th of September, so that's pretty early. You need to start quite early with this project assignment. So let's have a look at the course website. Here is what it looks like. We have first different ways of communicating with the teachers. First, we have a news forum. Here, the teachers will just post messages that go to everyone. We have a question forum where you as students can ask more concrete and specific questions, and we will try to always answer them within 24 hours. Then we have a more general discussion forum where you can start general discussions, questions, comments about anything that appears in the course. We have a number of resources here, and the most important one is the course overview. It's just an ordinary PDF document, and it describes in a little more detail here about learning goals, learning activities, how the examination works, and how the grading also works. So I suggest that you take maybe 20 minutes or so, just read this one, and you will get a good feel for the course design. And when you have, you see there are also many other resources here, like articles, papers that you should read, information about the teachers, the schedule, and so on and so on. But in fact, when you have checked out the course overview, you are ready to dive into week 1 here. And there are a number of lectures. We have some quizzes also. And each lecture looks roughly like this. We have a number of videos, and you have them in different formats here. We also have PDFs. So you can check out them and see what will be most convenient for you. So, with that said, I think you should be ready to start working on this course. And once again, very welcome to this course in Enterprise Computing and ERP Systems.